that'll do.
Not bad. Does a wood store store have to be level?
Yeah.
Why is this?
Absolutely.
Because it's, you know, proper. Pride and properness.
I'm with you.
It would be an eyesore.
An eyesore.
An eyesore forevermore.
And no one wants sore eyes.
How thick has this laurel hedge been, do we think? What is it?
100 years,
6 foot.
6 foot. It's amazing. Mary! Come on, Mary!
Once we get this up.
You don't care that this is my pride and joy, do you? Nope. Just a good teething toy. Oh, she's a good girl. Okay. That's it for you, missus. Found a couple of birds' nests in that hedge.
Sorry.
Purposely left it till later on this year to cut it back and sort it. Make sure these youngsters have gone. Oh, birds' nest's amazing. What's happened?
The battery's run out on the driver, so we can't screw anything in.
That's great, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It means that we get to stand with our hands on our hips and look at it as if we've made the Great Wall of China, so that's always a plus.
Or you go back to the good old-fashioned tools.
Yeah, we'll just charge the drill up.
Smell like feet.
What do? Them.
I thought the fish van had just come. As you can see, it's a really sturdy structure.
What are you doing, Mary? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
This on here,
Yeah.
and then we can screw through that.
Yeah,
into
because
that.
you have to screw through the crest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or it'll let the rain. Do we want the second one on top of it?
Right, so that's
That's not proper. Hang on a minute. That is on the wood.
right.
We want enough overhang
So there's like,
because we're going to put a piece of wood on here.
yeah, that's about 2 inches now.
That should be enough. Yeah.
Pull that to bits. Oh dear. Maybe I should train on this front too. But she's just opening it for him. What harm can there be?
This is our new outdoor kitchen,
Is it?
and we're going to Airbnb it. And no loo.
Nowhere to sleep either, Dad.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking.
What am I
You're
thinking?
thinking this is my best t-shirt. You'd be wrong. Because I've got 5 good t-shirts now. So this isn't my best t-shirt, this is one of my best t-shirts. More trouble. Very old.
That is one of your best.
Hey?
It's one of your best newest.
Is it?
He's in so much trouble.
That's better, that's it. Nope, missed it again. Stop, right.
It's attacked the package. Messed around with blisters in the bucket. It's conked out. Hello?
Hi.
Are we in the wood store?
Oh wow, that's come along, hasn't it? Oh,
It's pretty much done.
yeah.
Here we have the lovely wild buttercup. So pretty. But here, this here is chickweed. These tiny little star-like flowers are chickweed. They are amazing in balms and tinctures for anything itchy, anything inflamed, itchy skin, hot skin. Well worth having in the garden, and so pretty. Is this to help strengthen the roof or for
Nice. Rustic charm.
rustic charm?
You haven't seen the firewood yet. We'll check out the winter's logs.
Wow,
But it's
check
stacked with the
out
logs.
the winter's logs. Ooh!
Yeah.
Hey, that's gonna do us like a day in December.
Morning.
Morning. Is
Yeah.
it big enough?
I know. I thought that as soon as I put them in.
Do we
Is
need
it
to
big
build an extension?